Okay, now we will see the first topic of the unit, which is the past simple. Here we have the simple past or the past simple. This verb, this tense, uh, we know that is used with completed actions. Completed actions الأفعال المكتملة الأفعال المنتهية. Okay, finished completed actions. We have a complete action that happened in the past. So this action is completed action. The form of this verb is verb to. We call it verb to. Here, if we have a look on these sentences, we can see the verbs that end with ed, and this means that these verbs are in the past tense form. هو الفعل الماضي. طبعا عندي هون ed is for regular verbs، ورح نناقش احنا هون بالمحاضرة ان شاء الله انه I have two types of verbs. We have the regular verbs and the irregular verbs. Regular verbs الأفعال المنتظمة. We call it regular verbs يعني أفعال منتظمة that end with ed in the second and third forms. هي بالحالة الثانية والثالثة للفعل تنتهي بصيغة ed. But the irregular verbs, these are examples, and this is an example of the irregular verbs. Irregular verbs يعني غير منتظم, which means that these verbs have internal changes. يعني أفعال يحدث لها تغيرات داخلية. Internal changes that happen to the verb in the first, second, and the third form. فإذا عندي أنا هنا past form. past form here is the form of this verb اللي هي صيغة الفعل اللي هي الحالة الثانية. The second form, the verb to of the verb itself. We will discuss the three forms of this verb، الحالات الثلاث له، سواء كان بالaffirmative اللي هي الحالة المثبتة. اتفقنا على انه يكون عندي verb to سواء كان regular او irregular. مثال هون completed with ed. مثال هون both without ed, which is irregular verb. And here we have the negative form of the verb. We will talk about it, and we will discuss the entrance of did with this verb and why do we use did in the negative form. And we will discuss also the question form, the interrogative form of the verb, the past simple. We will discuss also the use of this verb. We will take some examples to let's say to have a clear point about the past simple. So these are the most important things that will be discussed in this verb. Okay, and in the next video we will talk about the continuous one.